Middle East is the home of ultimate construction feats, and once again, one of the world's most enthusiastic construction processes is being carried out in the Middle East. Fun fact, this is a project of a railway line which is being built by the Gulf Cooperation Council. The Gulf Cooperation Council comprises 6 of the wealthiest countries of the Middle East. Together, these countries will cooperate to construct an over 2,000-kilometer-long railway line that would add for connecting the region in a better way. With dunes to surmount and mountains to burrow through, the task's difficulties are massive and are coordinated exclusively by the price tag that accompanies handling these difficulties. The rail route can join the Gulf, reshape its transportation area, diminish its carbon imprint, and launch a different period of the monetary turn of events, but for it to be beneficial, it needs to defeat the political, monetary, and strategic difficulties holding it up. Before we get into how the railroad is being assembled, it's vital to comprehend the reason why it's being implicit in the primary spot. On February 1981, in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, pioneers from Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, and Oman met to shape political and monetary alliance called the Gulf Cooperation Council, or GCC. Collectively, they've raked in some serious cash off oil and gas. That implies their economies are generally attached to the oil market. Around 2008 to 2009, oil costs dove amid the Great Recession, and the GCC economies endured a shock. In 2009, the GCC approved a massive railway project that would serve the purpose of cultivating everlasting integrity among all the 6 member states. This project will go on to cost between $100 billion to $250 billion. It has already been talked upon and settled that all 6 counties will put an equal share into the completion of this project. These railway lines have the potential of changing the outlook of the Middle East, since they will connect the nation's ports with trade and manufacturing zones. Another key element of Etihad Railways is that a 1,200-kilometer-long freight and passenger railway will stretch between the Gulf of Oman to the Persian Gulf. This sub-project is also not cheap, as it will go on to cost around $11 billion. The UAE's first public rail network is being built in 2 phases. The main stage was finished in 2016 and ranges 264 kilometers from the Habsha and Shah regions in Abu Dhabi to the port of Ruwais. It's an extreme workplace because it can get so sweltering in the late spring that some building locations work around evening time when temperatures are more like 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit.